Okay, here's a problem with a circle where we want to find the circumference. Now normally when you're finding circumference, you're going to use the circumference formula. C equals 2 pi r, which requires that we know the radius of the circle. Now in this problem, we're not given the radius of the circle. So it's going to be a little bit different in finding out what the circumference is. Okay, what we are given though is we're given an arc AB, and we're given the length of that arc. And remember, this arc AB is really just a portion of the entire circumference, which is the distance all the way around. So what we've got here is we've got a portion of the circle AB. Let's write it this way. 15 inches is the same ratio to the circumference as 60 degrees is to the degree measure of the entire circle, which is 360. So you can very easily set up this proportion and just simply solve for C. When you solve for C, you're just going to do a cross multiplication, and that gives us 60C is equal to 15 times 360. Then we want to simplify the right side of the equation, and that gives us 60C equals 5400. Then we want to get C by itself, and remembering that 60C is really 60 times C, then we want to get C by itself, and we do the inverse operation from the multiplying, which is division. So we then divide both sides by 60. That will give us C by itself on the left, and that's equal to 90 on the right. Okay, and this is going to be in inches because we're asking for the circumference length, so the answer is 90 inches. So anytime you have a problem like this where you're trying to find the circumference but you don't have the radius, as long as you have an arc length, then you can take that arc length and set it up as a proportion.